Hi everyone. Okay, so because we've had so many requests for unicorns, Dave is back and we're going to make another unicorn, but this time you're going to need a grown-up's help because they're going to have to use some scissors and it's a bit dangerous for children. So you need a grown-up's help because we're going to make a unicorn with curly hair. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do his head just like the same as we did last time, with a nice smile, little steepy eyes, little nose, and we'll do a neck and an ear, and we'll do its unicorn horn like so. Okay, so for the hair, I've got lots of different rainbow colour paper and I'm going to cut it into strips. Okay, you might need to get your mums and dads to help you with this, to curl it. If you want to curl it, you need to do that with the scissors. So I would get a grown-up to do that bit for you. I'm just going to put glue all around here. So once you've got your grown-up to curl your strip, then you can stick it on like so. Of course, every unicorn needs some sparkly glitter, so I'm going to make, and I've got some glitter glue to make a nice sparkly horn. I might give it some stars as well. Okay, so there you have your unicorn with beautiful curly hair.